You know, I got the sauce in there or whatever. I'm gonna put my cheese. I actually wanted to come back on before I started. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I had to do my thumbnail. Sorry. Excuse me, but when I tell you those fries at that particular, I'm gonna have to say that particular Hardee was horrible. There ain't no way anybody can enjoy fries that's that salty. No way. Not unless you ain't got no taste buds. And I think that when you eat a lot of salt like that, your taste buds, it can mess your taste buds up. The way it don't bother some people to eat that much salt, but it bothers me. And my husband, now I don't think he knew how salty they were. Let me have some more. I was like, heck no. I said, these fries are too salty. So most of the time when we go places, we tell them no salt. Because you never know who is on fries that day. But yeah, there was clumps of salt. I was just like, oh my God. They're trying to really kill somebody at that hard. Yeah, but it was good customer service, though. I can't say that. Very good customer service. Very professional. But they just gotta tone it down on the salt. But I guess it's what people like, because if you tone it down too much, then you're gonna have people that want enough salt. So that was our fault, because we should have told them. But we didn't know it was gonna be that salty. But I really don't even go to Hardee. I didn't know what was in the area, because they did have a Subway. If and they had a Chick-fil-A, I would have went to Chick-fil-A. But I didn't know. Excuse me. But I don't even go to Subway no more, because Subway, they don't want terrible with how much product they give you. Like, they don't give you no meat at Subway. And even if you ask for extra, they still won't give you jack. And maybe it was that Subway, because I think we were in North Carolina, and they have a Subway drive-through, but they didn't give us nothing on that sandwich. And maybe it might have been that Subway. But, excuse me. Excuse me. So, excuse me. Yeah, they ain't give us no meat on that sub. So I'm just like, I'd rather go. I really love Jersey Mike's. That's my favorite sub shop to go to. And then would come Jimmy John's. And then what Subway would be last. Because Subway just, they don't give you what you ask for. It's like eating bread. You'd be better off getting a salad at Subway. It seems like they give you more meat on a salad than on a sandwich. And a lot of people say, oh, it probably costs too much. But a lot of people are like, well, they making all them millions of dollars. It's you guys don't know. These businesses have to pay taxes too. On top of keeping up with the products, like the ovens and stuff. You know those ovens cost thousands of dollars. It's just a lot of other payments and bills that they have that nobody shows you guys. You guys are only seeing the profits of what they make and stuff. But you're not seeing all the money they have to spend out too. So you can't say, oh, well, they're making millions of dollars. You can't say that. Because you don't know all the expenses that they have. And personal expenses. You don't know what personal expenses they have. They could be in debt. They could be still trying to pay off personal debt, pay off personal loans. It's a lot that go behind all that, getting them businesses and stuff. A lot of people only tell you a good thing about it, but they're not going to tell you about the obstacles that come along with it. Some people will, but people that want to keep you in the dark about stuff, they won't. If you have a business and you want to help other people, you have to tell people the obstacles, like the disadvantages, like stuff you're gonna run into. That way, when they run into it, they be like, "Oh, well, he told me about that, so I do this. He told me to do this." But don't just have people in the dark do something, and then they start running into all these obstacles because they're gonna come right back to you, and they're gonna be like, "Well, this happened. Why you ain't telling me this?" And you can't say, "Oh, I thought you know," because they didn't know anything about the business. You introduced them to the business. So all you have to do most of the time is be honest with people. And I'm telling you, people will respect you more if you're honest. But if you just sneaky and lying all over the place, people not going to respect that. You're not going to respect it. And you can't rush it neither. Like some people are like, well, you better hurry up and you better hurry up and make it before this happened and this happened. I don't have to hurry anytime. And you don't have to hurry anything. because that's your story. If you don't have no story, nobody's gonna want to do no documentary on you if you ain't really been through nothing. Because there ain't gonna be nothing to tell. Excuse me. Yeah, there ain't gonna be nothing to tell. Well, how interesting is that? If there's no story. That's why I like that song by Miley Cyrus, "Decline." Because in one of them lyrics, she says, "It doesn't matter how fast I get there. It doesn't matter what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. It's the journey." That's what she's saying in that song. Don't rush me. I'm going to get there when it's the right time to get there. But don't rush me. This is my journey and only my journey. You can't tell me how fast I can do it. People are a trip, y'all. I'm about to get up out of here, though. I gotta finish my work. Almost done, y'all. I have a quiz to do, another paper, and I have a video that I have to do for one of my classes. Just a little short video. Tell my professor what I learned. Through the class. But guys, when you come on, like and subscribe my channel. Always like and subscribe my channel. Always hit the bell notification. Always comment. I love you guys. Always thinking about you. Until next time, it is your girl, Reset Me. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye-bye.